Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In our previous video, we have discussed about the schedule trigger. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the tumbling window trigger. So let's discuss first a few important feature of tumbling window. So tumbling window basically it is a advanced trigger. I can say it has very advanced feature. It has very advanced feature. So if I discuss few advanced feature, like the first one is you can run or execute your pipeline for the past data. Means for some reason your data or your pipeline got failed or did not run for last week or like yesterday. So what you can do, you can run through tumbling window. So basically you can schedule and then it will be executed. You must have the date time stamp. Generally for incremental load we use. So as per the date, it will automatically take the data and basically backfilling your data. And the advanced important feature is dependency. So if I talk about data warehousing project, so generally what happen, we may have dependencies like first few tables will be populated and then based on that other tables will be populated. So let's say I can say first my dimension table would be populated, after that my fact table will be populated, or there are different scenarios. I'm just giving one example. So in using tumbling window, you can basically create dependencies as well. Like there are two pipelines, pipeline A and pipeline B, and pipeline B depend on pipeline A. So you can make this. So whenever your pipeline A will successfully processed or successfully completed, then only pipeline B will be executed. So let's move into the Azure Data Factory. Let me show you. So if you click here and click on new, and then you can click here and new, and you can mention here TUM demo. So if I select, as soon as I select or I click on tumbling window, so it is now asking me when you want to start this. And again the same feature like every minute, every hours, every month, which was in schedule table. But if I click on advanced, so now you can create dependency, like you can create new, and you can basically use you basically use trigger or pipeline. So your it will basically create dependency. And if you see here, there is this option offset and this window size. So Microsoft has created one diagram to try to basically explain the same. So if you see, let's say there is already one pipeline which triggers on 9 p.m. and your pipeline trigger A. So basically there are two triggers, trigger A and trigger B. So trigger A is linking to pipeline A and trigger B is linking to pipeline B. So here trigger A is dependent on trigger B. So let's say trigger A is will run to 9 to 10. After that trigger B will run. So if you see, there would be offset of -1 hour. So your trigger B basically, which is the tumbling window trigger. So that will run on 10 p.m. and 10 to 11, and the dependent pipeline will run on 9 p.m. So this is the offset of -1 hour. And if you see the size, so there are two things. If you see here, dependency offset and dependency size. But if I talk about window size, so window size is, it will check the previous as well. So window size is 9. So 9 to 12 basically. So window size is 2. And the self dependency part. So your trigger a pipeline will only run whenever the trigger A will be success. So your trigger B pipeline, which are going to run on 10, which will only run when trigger A will be successful. For some reason, let's suppose your trigger A pipeline executed at 9:15 or 9:30, and it ran till 10:30. So it will start on 10:30. So it is the dependency. It will not execute it till then. It is not successfully completed. Now another beautiful thing is, like, if you are fetching data based on the timestamp, so either it will run on 10:30, but it will take time from 10 p.m. itself. So that is very reliable feature of Azure Data Factory or Tumbling Window. So you can use that. And another thing is, this offset. Let's say you can run on weekly basis. So it will run on, let's say you are running on 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 6 days before. So size of window would be 7 days, like +1, it always. And the thing is, it will automatically fail after 7 days. You can monitor your tumbling window here as well. And there's a option. It basically check, or it basically run your data. A tumbling window will trigger based on dependency for 7 days only before timing out. After 7 days, the trigger run will fail. Okay, so I will provide this link also to you guys, so you can like explore more on that. So I hope this video would be helpful for you guys. Thank you everyone.